Want to play YouTube music in the background? There's a simple trick that lets you listen to any YouTube music smoothly without interruptions. In this video, I'll show you how to do it easily and quickly. Let's get started. First, go to your Settings app. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. In the Apps section, find the YouTube music. Tap on it. Now tap on Set as Default option and make sure this option is toggled on. Now go back to your home menu, tap on Chrome, now search music.youtube.com. Then here, tap on the three dots and select Desktop Site. Now search for the song that you want to listen and play it. Now you can play your favorite music in your background. Tap on the home button to make sure it works properly or not. Now you know how to play YouTube music in the background without any hassle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.